Most people think building wealth takes decades. They imagine it requires a six-figure salary, perfect investing decisions, or some lucky break that completely changes their life. But what if wealth isn't really about becoming rich? What if it's about reaching a point where money stops controlling every decision you make? Imagine it's 5 years from now. Your car needs repairs. An unexpected medical bill shows up. Or your employer announces layoffs. And instead of feeling panic, you feel calm. Not because you're wealthy by social media standards, but because you've built enough financial stability to handle life's surprises. For millions of Americans, that level of security would feel life-changing. Yet most people spend years chasing the wrong goal. They focus on becoming rich while overlooking something far more valuable: financial freedom. The reason many people struggle to build wealth isn't because they're bad with money. It's because they misunderstand how wealth is actually created. We tend to focus on big moments: the huge stock market win, the entrepreneur who sells a company for millions, the person who doubles their income overnight. But real wealth rarely comes from dramatic events. More often, it's the result of ordinary decisions repeated consistently over a long period of time. The problem is that consistency doesn't feel exciting. Buying something new feels exciting. Investing money that you won't touch for years feels boring. Money is far more psychological than most people realize. After a stressful week, spending feels like relief. After a promotion, spending feels like a reward. After scrolling through social media and seeing everyone else's highlight reel, spending can feel like a way to catch up. The challenge isn't understanding money. The challenge is managing emotions. Wealth often belongs to people who learn to pause before acting on impulses, not because they're perfect, but because they recognize that every dollar has two possible jobs. It can improve life today, or it can create more freedom tomorrow. Most people automatically choose today because today's reward feels real. Tomorrow's reward feels distant and uncertain. If you want to build wealth over the next 5 years, the first step isn't chasing investment returns. It's creating stability. That means building an emergency fund, reducing high-interest debt, and creating enough financial margin that one unexpected expense doesn't become a crisis. Stability isn't exciting, but it's the foundation everything else rests on. Without it, every setback forces you to start over. Once that foundation exists, the next step becomes much easier. Instead of allowing every dollar to flow out of your life, some of those dollars begin buying assets, investments, retirement accounts, and other productive assets that can grow over time. Slowly at first, then faster as compounding begins doing what it has always done. At the same time, one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies has nothing to do with investing. It involves increasing your earning power. There is a limit to how much you can cut expenses, but there is a much larger limit on how much you can earn. Learning a new skill, earning a certification, negotiating a better salary, or moving into a higher value role can dramatically accelerate financial progress. When increased income is combined with consistent investing, momentum starts to build. This is where most people experience a realization that isn't talked about enough. The greatest benefit of wealth isn't the money itself. It's the reduction in stress. It's knowing you can handle setbacks. It's having options when opportunities appear. It's being able to leave a job you hate without feeling trapped. It's being able to think about the future with confidence instead of anxiety. That's what wealth really buys. Not luxury, freedom. So can you realistically build wealth in 5 years? If your goal is becoming an overnight success story, probably not. But if your goal is completely changing your financial trajectory, then absolutely. 5 years is enough time to build better habits, invest consistently, increase your income, recover from mistakes, and create a level of financial security that feels completely different from where you are today. 5 years from now will arrive whether you're prepared for it or not. The question is what you'll have built by then. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need perfect investments. You simply need enough good decisions repeated long enough for time to work in your favor. Because wealth isn't usually created through one extraordinary moment. It's created through hundreds of ordinary moments that nobody notices at the time. And when those moments compound year after year, they can quietly create a future that feels more secure, more flexible, and more free.